Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix slow loading issues in Spline. If your projects take a long time to open, the editor feels laggy, or scenes load very slowly, don't worry. Yeah, there are several simple fixes you can try to improve performance, and I'll walk you through them step by step in 2026. First, test your internet connection. Since Spline works online, a slow or unstable connection can significantly increase loading times, especially for larger projects. Next, refresh the page and reopen your project. Temporary browser issues or loading errors can sometimes cause delays that disappear after a simple refresh. If your scene contains lots of models, animations, lights, or high-resolution textures, try simplifying it. I mean, heavy projects require more resources and can make Spline feel much slower. Now close any tabs or applications you're not using. Yeah, having too many programs open can consume memory and reduce the resources available for Spline. Next, clear your browser cache and temporarily disable extensions. Old cached files and certain browser add-ons can sometimes slow down web applications. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. I mean, updates often include performance improvements and compatibility fixes that help tools like Spline run better. If large projects still load slowly, your device may be struggling with the workload. Yeah, three-dimensional editing can be demanding, especially when working with complex scenes and animations. And that's basically it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Spline's slow loading issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these methods helped improve performance and speed up your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hey everyone!